Good morning. I'm indulging myself in a quick walk before I need to get ready for work. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. The sky is incredible. I'm really missing Tim. We're just over 3 months in, and with everything growing like crazy and not a whole lot of farm chores happening and a lot of uncertainty about just sort of what lies ahead, I feel I just woke up with the storm outside sort of matching the storm going on inside of my head and my being. But this feels like just a good few moments to reconnect and just check in. Death and the aftermath is definitely no joke. And I'm feeling for myself that all of the swirling that is going on inside is just a part of the normal. It's just par for the course. So I'm just trying to allow it to be. And walking amidst these pines and in the aftermath of the rain feels like probably really good, the best form of therapy right now. Maybe I should have done that like when I woke up several hours ago. So, I guess this morning I'm extending an invitation to you and to myself to just be with the rain and be in the storm and allow it to wash and cleanse and purify and do all the things that external and internal storms do. I think when the clouds pass, things will be more clear and I'll have a better sense of direction. Look at these mushrooms. There's a whole bunch of them in here. Alright, I just wanted to say hi and check in and wish you well wherever you are on the planet. If you watch this quick little video, I don't have a whole lot more to say, but just wishing you a good day and just wanted to say hello. Peace.